Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add music to Instagram post after posting. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Make sure it's updated one and you are signed in as well. Now once you have mixed sure both of the things and you have signed into your account, you're gonna go ahead and go to your profile section at the bottom right corner. Then over here you shall be able to check out the particular posts of yours and check out the one which one that does not have the music. So you're gonna go ahead and check it out. So let's say this particular post does not has the music on. So if you want to add music in it, we're gonna have to go ahead go to this three dot because this is the only available option, and we're gonna go ahead go to the section of edit. And even if you go to edit, the only edit option available is adding the tagging the people, adding a new caption, and again that is the only information that we can edit on it. We cannot add music in it after we have posted. Unfortunately, we can create a reel out of this which will allow us to add music, and we can tap on next once we have got the music, and we have to go to next and post it as a reel with the post in it, and that is the only option available with the music in it. So unfortunately this is it. Hope this video helped out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.